Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply the new big screen custom LUTs collection to your photos. Now previously I made a video where I applied these custom LUTs to videos because that's normally what LUTs are used for, is actually color grading video. But in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to actually apply those same effects to your photos. Think of them like quick one-click presets for your photos. So let's take this photo for example. I have the LUTs presets, the big screen LUTs presets, link in the description down below so you can check out more information about those LUTs. But I have this particular photo right here, and I want to load a custom LUT. A LUT is a lookup file, a color lookup file, and I want to load that to this photo. So I'm going to go down here to my adjustment layers, click right here, and I'm going to choose color lookup. Now under the properties box here, it's going to give me a little color lookup menu, and I'm going to click on load 3D LUT, and here are some ones that are actually installed with Adobe Photoshop. But right where it says load 3D LUT, again I'm going to click there, and it's going to bring up your finder box here so you can go ahead and pick your custom LUT. This is what you're going to see when you download the big screen custom LUTs from Sleeklens. You're going to see a LUTs folder. So I'm going to click on that LUTs folder, and here are all the LUTs I can choose from, about 35 of them to choose from with really great film inspired effects. So for this particular photo, I want to apply the effect that is called Cliffhanger. So I'm going to go right here to Cliffhanger, and I have these 4 different files to choose from. I have a 3DL file, I have a CSP file, and a cube file that I can choose from. They're all going to apply the same effects, but I give all of these files for you, so that way, depending on whatever editor you use these in, you always have the file format that'll work with that editor. So I always typically choose the cube file. That's usually a universal file. So I'm going to click the cube file there, and I'm going to click open. Now, as you can see, when I click open, it's going to apply that effect all on this color lookup layer. So this is the effect that the Cliffhanger LUT applies to your photos. And you can see this is the before, and then this is the after. So let's say I do like this look, but it might be a little bit too intense. What's great about doing this in Adobe Photoshop is I can just take the opacity and back down the opacity a little bit, and it starts to lessen that effect a little bit more. So this is the before, and then this is the after. It looks really cool, but again, I can take the opacity all the way back up and apply the full effect. So you still have a little bit of range, a little bit of variance that you can do with these custom LUTs. So now let's go to this particular photo here. This is a picture of a girl, and I want to kind of give her a little bit more stern of a look. I mean, she already has a really stern look already, but I want to kind of match that look with the colors of the photo. So again, I'm going to go over to the adjustment layers here. I'm going to go to color lookup, click on 3D LUT here, and then click on there again to bring up my finder. And I'm going to go back and look at the LUTs presets here that we have. And I'm going to choose, let's go down to Valor here. I'm going to click Valor. Again, choose the cube file and click open. And you can see it kind of does a cool tone to the photo. It gives a really kind of a blue tone, a little bit of fade, a little bit lessen in the blacks there, especially in the shadow area. So it's kind of a cool look. This is the before, this is the after. And again, just like we did the previous photo, we can actually back the opacity down to kind of blend that in a little bit more if we wanted to, and there's our look. So again, that is the before, and that is the after. All right, so let's do one more here. So this is kind of a typical photo that you would get out of any DSLR, any kind of camera, any cell phone camera. It's a pretty generic photo, but I want to increase the colors a little bit and apply a kind of a different tone to kind of match the surrounding area. So I'm going to go do the same thing I've been doing. So I'll go to the adjustment layers, color lookup, click on 3D LUT, click there again, and I'm going to go back here, go to my LUTs folder, and I'm going to choose the one named Peter. So I'm going to go to Peter, click there, and choose Cube, click Open. And you can see it kind of does the same kind of effect. It kind of cools it down a little bit, and it kind of has that little fade in there. It kind of adds a little bit more of the little bit auburn areas here. It pumps those up a little bit more. So again, we can back those down if you wanted to, just like that. So this is the before. Very bright photo, very warm photo, but this actually changes the mood. Kind of looks like it's going to rain a little bit. So these are kind of a cinematic look for this particular image. Now also included in the big screen LUTs collection, you're actually going to get a lookbook. You're going to get a PDF that shows you all of the before and afters of some samples of what the effect will actually apply. So you can see it runs through all of the different kind of effects here, so you can easily just glance at this lookbook and see the different kind of effects that you can do before you go ahead and apply them to your videos and photos. And it also comes with instructions down at the back here on how to actually apply your LUTs in Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, and also Adobe Photoshop, which is what we just did here. These LUTs pretty much work with any editor that it accepts 3D LUT files, so depending on whatever editor you're working in, if they accept 3D LUTs, you can apply these same effects and you should be good to go. So thank you for checking out the new big screen LUTs collection from Sleeklens. Link in the description down below to check out more information about those LUTs. This has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next video.